Bring it back.
Welcome back to WPNN. My name is Natasha.
And my name is Liliana.
Wow, what a time the past few weeks have been. We hope everyone made it through Hurricane Milton okay.
Who knew having those extra school days off would be so tiring?
Panthers, are you aware that homecoming dance have been rescheduled to Saturday, November 2nd?
Ticket sales for homecoming will be resumed on Wednesday, October 23rd. That's next week.
All tickets that have been previously purchased are still valid to be used.
If you need a guest ticket for someone from another school, they are handled through Miss Sharon in the front office.
Students, everyone that is going to homecoming must have a permission slip that is signed by you and a parent or legal guardian.
The permission slip looks like this.
Permission slips do not get turned in yet, but will be turned in at the same time you pick up your homecoming ticket or tickets.
Panthers, the fall prep rally is today during 7th period. You must have purchased a ticket to attend the student versus faculty volleyball game prep rally.
Tonight at 7 p.m., our football team will be playing against the defending state champions, Mainland High School, also known as the Buccaneers.
This will be our senior night game with festive prior to the game celebrating our seniors.
During halftime, we will be crowning the homecoming king and queen.
Speaking of seniors, Ms. Jameer wants you to know that the historically black colleges and universities, better known as the HBCU, College Fair will be held at the SBNN Wide World of Sports Complex in Orlando next Thursday, and that there are still spots available on the bus to attend.
For permission slips to attend or to turn in, please see Ms. Jameer. Turn in your permission form to see Ms. Jameer. These permission forms need to be notarized. Any bank should notarize the out-of-country forms for free.
While discussing colleges, the University of Florida, also known as UF representative visit, was rescheduled to this coming Tuesday, October 22nd, during our 7th period in the Media Center.
Seniors and juniors that would like to attend must get a pass from the counselor table during your lunch.
Seniors, if you haven't been sent by your English teacher to complete your Bright Futures application, Ms. Jameer will be having her second college application day next Friday, October 25th.
This will be all day in the Media Center. You need to know your Social Security number or take a picture of your Social Security card.
Make sure you do this part because your Social Security number and name must match exactly on your application and school transcript.
Seniors, Dean Stewart Photography is still accepting students for the senior photograph sessions. This is a minimum of $25 refundable deposits for the session. Please sign up ASAP to have your student senior picture included in this yearbook.
Sign up with this link posted here.
Did someone say yearbook? Please watch the following video, presented by our yearbook team.
You can buy your yearbook starting at $80 and the price will increase after January.
You can go to buyyouryearbook.com to pre-order your yearbook today.
Seniors and businesses, don't forget to purchase those ads. See Ms. Lloyd for more information. Mr. Richards, are you going to buy your 2025 yearbook?
Of course I am. Seniors and businesses, you can buy your ads at buytheyearbook.com.
Senior ads start at $53 and business ads start at $75.
And seniors, make sure to submit your baby pictures here before January 1st to be featured in this year's yearbook.
Buy the yearbook! Buy the yearbook! Buy the yearbook!
Panthers, are you in need of volunteer hours? Palm Bay Rec is looking for volunteers to help out their fall festival on October 26th.
Please come celebrate the fall season at Palm Bay Rec Fall Fest. There will be food, vendors, costume contests, trunk or treat, spooky hay rides, music, crafts, and games. The Fall Fest is a free to attend. Students, you will learn volunteer hours for dressing up and scaring people during crafts with kids or working another fun job at this event.
If you are interested in working and earning volunteer hours for this event, please email Daniel Waite and let him know that you would like to volunteer. His email address is right here.
Panthers, thank you for watching. Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue!